Hello, this is Alexander Prill from Lang, a German manufacturer of special solutions products. I now want to present you one of the highlights on our booth, the Troll-E. The Troll-E is a completely wireless display for signage or for many other applications. It's a prototype. It has a player, a Raspberry Pi player inside, and it is, as you can see, battery driven. The battery runs the display for about 6 hours and can be recharged during operation or exchanged easily against another battery. And as you see, it's very, very mobile, and therefore it serves all applications where complicated wiring or taped wires on floors are unsuitable. We now want to show this to the public because in the time of e-mobility, everybody is talking of e-powered devices. The AV industry has not yet come across, and that's the reason why we want to make the first step. If you want to have more information, please go to www.lang-ag.com. Thank you.